Hello there! So today we're going to show you how to download Shotcut, which is a free open source video editor. And if you type Shotcut into Google, the official website is shotcut.org, and if we click onto there then, you'll see that as the home page is loading, there's a big click to download button. You can consent to the cookies, click to download, so it's got some alternate mirrors for this, but you can click either one, so we'll click on the Fossil one. Not the portable version, we're going to click the normal Windows version, which is going to download Windows 64-bit version of Shotcut for us, which is 91.8 megabytes. If we head back to the Shotcut website, we can see in the features, allows 4K support, multi-projects, webcam capture, audio capture, a lot of things that you would expect in a modern video editing platform. And also they've got plenty of audio features in there. There's some ads. Make sure you don't click on the ads because although it looks like you might download Shotcut now, it's not. This one is for Wave browser. They've got many effects for transitions, fade in, fade out, and also editing features, cutting and pasting different parts of the timeline to rearrange videos, scrubbing, keyframes, detaching audio from video and things like that. And there are other additions available for other platforms, including Linux and macOS, as well as a portable app which can be run from an external drive, which can be useful for students using on university networks, for example. And hardware support, it's got an extensive range of hardware support, and that's it. So it is pretty feature rich. If it's your first time using Shotcut, then there are tutorials available, and they are in video format on YouTube, so it should be easy to catch up with those. And in news recently, they have recently released a new version on May the 14th, 2023. So that's the version that we're going to install today. So if we click on Shotcut once it's downloaded, and then press yes on user access control, it's released under the GNU public license, which you have to accept to install. Then you can choose the destination to install it at. It's usually program file Shotcut, but you can click browse to select another location. And it's going to require 344 megabytes around, so quite a small installation. Remove all program files. We recommend you keep that tick. That will remove any previous version of Shotcut from the computer. Install program files isn't optional. If we want to install Shotcut, we have to install the files. Create a start menu shortcut. If you don't want that, you can click to uncheck it, otherwise leave it checked. Associate MLT files with Shotcut. Well, MLT files are Shotcut files, so you might as well associate those so that you can double click on those files you're creating Shotcut and it'll automatically open there. You can create a desktop icon if you want by ticking that. And remove shortcut settings from registry would only be if you want to delete the shortcuts, so that's absolutely fine to leave off. And then you need to click install, at which point it's going to start installing all the program files that we need for Shotcut to work when we start it. And the installation process itself shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. As you can see, it races through it pretty fast here. So it won't be long before we can start up Shotcut and get to video editing. It is available for free. There are alternates available, things like DaVinci Resolve. Some people are using really old versions of Windows Movie Maker, which I wouldn't recommend anymore. But Shotcut is one of those that is free and is a potential upgrade if you are still using some old software. Minitool Movie Maker obviously recently moved to a more paid for model to access some pretty basic features, to be honest. So Shotcut could be worth having a look at if you are looking to make the move from there as well. And as it gets near the end of the installation process, we'll get the final screen showing up. So it tells us it's completed. Once it's completed, we can click close. And then all that remains to do is start Shotcut. So we're going to click on Shotcut. It'll show you the splash screen. First time it loads, it will take a little bit longer because it's doing the initial load. And there we have it. We are there with Shotcut. User interface should be reasonably familiar if you're used to using video editing platforms, but if not, there are tutorials available on the website. And that's it. Shotcut is ready to go. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shotcut videos, and we shall see you shortly. Bye!